Is the Bible even reliable, or is it just a telephone game? You've heard this one before. The Bible's been translated so many times, it doesn't even say the same thing anymore. Somebody said that to you with so much confidence, you didn't even question it. I want to actually question it with you right now. Here's where that idea comes from. The telephone game, you remember it from a youth camp. One kid whispers a sentence, it goes around the circle, and by the time it comes back, I like pizza turns into I hijacked a llama. Funny game, bad argument. Because that's not actually how we got the Bible. Not even close. Telephone game only breaks down because of one thing. There's no way to check the original, one whisper, no backup, no way to compare. That's not our situation. We have almost 6,000 early handwritten copies of the New Testament alone, written in different cities by different people who never sat in a room together. That is not one whisper down a line. That's 6,000 people writing down what they heard and scholars laying every single one side by side, checking where they agree and where they don't. And here's the part nobody tells you. When you do that, the differences that shows up are almost always spelling, word order, the kind of thing your English teacher marks with a small red pen, not the kind of thing that rewrites a doctrine. For comparison, no other document from the ancient world has anywhere near this much manuscript evidence behind it. Not close. So the claim isn't just wrong, it's actually backwards. The Bible isn't the least verified ancient document, it is the most. Now, let me be honest with you, because I'm not trying to win an argument, I'm trying to tell you the truth. We actually know with real confidence what the original writers wrote. The copying held up. The message wasn't lost in the shuffle. If you've been walking away from the Bible because you assumed it got hopelessly garbled over time, that specific reason doesn't hold. You're free to have another question. You're not free to keep that one. So next time someone drops the telephone game line like it settles it, you don't have to argue. Just ask them one question. Have you actually looked at the evidence, or did you just hear that from somebody who also never looked? That's it. That's the video about. Save this, send it to the friend who said it to you first.